Hello everybody, welcome to the S-Course Eikaiwa Jugyo online listening section here at Meishu Gakko and Hitachi Koto Gakko. Today I am going to record videos for Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4 so that hopefully you will have sufficient videos and homework to do for the next few weeks. So let's crack on. Okay, so the book is called Yume wo Kanaeru Listening. In English it's called Dream On. It's aimed at third grade students and we're doing it in the second year of the Reiwa Ninendo. Okay, so let's get started. So Unit 1. The first topic is about food and ordering food. The second topic is about a meeting place. Where will we meet? However, before we listen to the conversations and before we do the problem solving, let's look at the following. Can you change these conversations from Japanese into English? You don't have to be perfect. Do it in your own English, just to check to see, do you understand generally what's going on in the conversations? So please use your printouts now. You can fast forward this bit. Conversation number 1. And conversation number 2. Please write these conversations in your English and submit them to me when you next come to school. Thank you. Okay, problem number 1. Food ordering. First, let's look at the following words and phrases. And again, use your print to think about what these words and phrases mean and write their equivalent meaning in Japanese and then check with the video. So first, do too much, feel tired, how about, alight, getting. Now think, what do these mean and write them in your book. Pause now and play. Okay, here come the answers. All right, so this is what the answers are. Are your answers close? I hope so. Okay, now listening problems. So the first listening problem is coming up now. Again, take a look through what's in your book. Before you do a listening problem, look at the choices that you have and try to understand from there. So the key words in this conversation are order, get, or have. And usually the answer to problems of this nature are after order, get, and have. So once again, if you see this word or hear this word or get or have, typically the answer comes afterwards. Okay, so the question is, what does the woman want to order?
Unit 1.
Number 1. We have vegetable curry or steak.
Are they big? If I eat too much, it makes me feel tired.
Then how about a small salad or a light sandwich?
No, I'll have the vegetable curry. I'm getting hungry.
Question. What does the woman order?
Unit 1.
Number 1. We have vegetable curry or steak.
Are they big? If I eat too much, it makes me feel tired.
Then how about a small salad or a light sandwich?
No, I'll have the vegetable curry. I'm getting hungry.
Question. What does the woman order?
Okay, so check your answers. And there is the answer. I hope you were correct. Let's crack on. Let's move on. Next. Number 2. Number 2 is a meeting place. So again, before we listen to the problem, let's look at some words and phrases. The first, guess what they mean, write them in your book and submit them when you come to school. First word is wait. Second is which. Third is main entrance. Fourth is next to. And fifth is sounds nice. So what did I mean? Think about it, write them down in your book. And pause. Okay, here come the answers. This is what they actually mean according to the Yumewo Kanairu book. I hope you did well. Okay, next. Listening. Let's solve the listening problem. So here we go. We're talking about a place where two people are going to meet. So usually when it's a place where people are going to meet, we have something like, let's meet by the. And if the conversation ends there, by the, usually this would be the answer. But if you hear something like iya in Japanese or in English, no, I can't, how about? Usually the answer to the problem comes after this kind of phrase. So, no, I can't, how about? No ato ni kuru basho ga hotondo soiu kono yona mondai no shitsumo no kotae. Okay, so let's move it on. Okay, so check your answers. And there is the answer. I hope you were correct. Let's crack on. Let's move on. Next. So again, let's look at the picture. There are 4 places: a bench, a pond, a bench, a big pond, a gate, a main entrance, and a bus stop. So where will the boy and girl meet?
Number 2. I'll wait for you by the pond.
Which pond? There are 2. How about meeting by the main entrance, next to the bus stop?
No, go to the small pond. We can sit on the bench there.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Question. Where will the boy and girl meet? Number 2. I'll wait for you by the pond.
Which pond? There are 2. How about meeting by the main entrance, next to the bus stop?
No, go to the small pond. We can sit on the bench there.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Question. Where will the boy and girl meet?
Okay, so let's check your answers. Where will the boy and girl meet? And there's the answer. They will meet at place number 1, the bench by the small pond. Next, we're moving on to filling in the blanks. Filling in the blanks, what I want you to do is to listen to the conversation first. Then, on the second go around, listen to the conversation and repeat if you can. And then finally, on the third, fourth and fifth times of either listening to the conversation and replaying this video, make notes. Now remember, katakana de memo wo kaite kamawanai ga te shitsusurumai ni eigo ni kakinaoshite kudasai. So rewrite your answers into English before you submit your papers. And don't look ahead in this video. Don't cheat. Okay, so the question is, what does the woman want to order? Let's fill in the blanks.
Unit 1.
Number 1. We have
Unit 1.
Number 1. We have vegetable curry or steak.
Are they big? If I eat too much, it makes me feel tired.
Then how about a small salad or a light sandwich?
No, I'll have the
Okay, now it's time to check your answers. Please use a red pen to correct any mistakes you have made. You can pause this video to check your answers. Okay, I'm moving on. The next listening or writing section is problem number 2, not problem number 1. Problem number 2. Where will the boy and the girl meet? So, please listen again and fill in the blanks.
Number 2. I'll wait for you by the pond.
Which pond? There are 2. How about meeting by the main entrance, next to the bus stop?
No, go to the small pond. We can sit on the bench there.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Okay, so it's time to check your answers again. Once more, please use a red pen to correct any mistakes you made. Please, please use a red pen. Thank you. The intake stage is all about practicing and practicing and practicing. So it's listen, repeat, listen, repeat. Please do it for both conversations. If you can practice with a friend, please do practice with a friend. But remember, always be careful. If you're practicing with a friend, you can do it via your phone or free apps which are available nowadays for that. Okay, so listen and repeat.
Unit 1.
Number 1. We have vegetable curry or steak.
Are they big? If I eat too much, it makes me feel tired.
Then how about a small salad or a light sandwich?
No, I'll have the vegetable curry. I'm getting hungry.
Number 2. I'll wait for you by the pond.
Which pond? There are 2. How about meeting by the main entrance, next to the bus stop?
No, go to the small pond. We can sit on the bench there.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Okay, so your final challenge today is to translate these sentences into English. Of course, please submit them when you next come to school. 1, boom, 2, boom, 3, boom. Okay, good luck, and once again, thank you for watching this video. Please do your homework. Please bring your printout to school with you next time you come to school. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wow. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.